Things are pretty quiet because it's Friday, and I've turned off both of the fans in the shop that I normally have running. And specifically to show you about the controls. This is a really good hydraulic unit with a pretty good reservoir and a thermometer and a level sight glass for the oil. Sophisticated valves. Let me turn it on and see if you can hear this. Here's the control panel. Hydraulic is this. So, little lever here. I'm guessing it opens a valve. Never run it that slow. Those are limit switches. And they hit this to change the direction. So I can set it to travel as far as I want, although the factory limits are little Allen screws. So you can't go beyond that point because it hits the ends of the ways that slides back and forth on. Let's go faster. Would you like to go faster? It's about as fast as I usually ever run it. A little more than halfway. Let's go all the way. Oh, it's hitting something there. It's kind of bumping at the end of that one. Anyway, that's as fast as it will go. And the coolant, let's move it over to here. This has a coolant pump, and then this is actually a vacuum dust collector that pulls debris from the air. When I turn it on, it sounds like this. Oh, here's the switch for that. Here's stuff in there. I'll turn off the dust collector because we don't need the dust collector because there's no debris. You're not supposed to get the wheel wet in an uneven way. I just turn the wheel on. I'll get the water. Well, I'll turn the wheel off. There's a switch to turn the wheel on and off. It's coasting to a stop. I've already been recording for 3.5 minutes. I don't like to soak the wheel unevenly, but I've already got it pretty good and wet. There's a valve to control the coolant flow. And I never really impinge on the wheel like somebody else that works here says. Usually the coolant is just below the wheel instead of soaking the wheel. Let's see what happens when I turn it on now. Anyway, but to show you how much faster it will go, let me wait till the wheel stops. Again. Water is dripping because it sprayed the inside of the cover. So that's the maximum. Quite a deluge. Spraying my phone. That thing is moving pretty quickly. How many RPMs? Remember, to balance wheel is the most important thing of operation grinding machine. Please read instruction manual carefully.